Hello all, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to present 10 easy lines on my father in English, and UKG and class 1 student can use these lines in writing their short paragraph on my father. But before that, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of my new video. So let's begin with the video. My father. My father is the most beloved person in my family and he loves me the most. He is the one who fulfills our needs and wishes without any complaint. My father is a very gentle person and he is always ready to help others whenever they face any problem. Whenever I feel sad, he is the one who motivates me with his words. His love for us and other family members is selfless and unconditional. He is the one on whom the whole family can trust. He becomes angry whenever we do not follow the discipline of the house. He always motivates us to do well in exams and also helps in our studies. He solves all our issues happily but never lets his problem come to us. My father is my hero and will always be my guiding soul and motivator for life. So this was 10 easy lines on my father. You can refer to these lines before writing short essay on my father. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like my video, then please press like button, share it with others and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.